If you are running a charter bus business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your charter bus business. Now managing tasks like checking bus availability, booking trips and providing travel updates would be time consuming for you. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. So this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow and it will help me to automate my charter bus business. But before we begin the step-by-step process of creating this chatbot, I'll show you the real-time example. For that, I'll take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we arrived on my WhatsApp screen. Now I will send a general message like hi and let's see what happens. As you can see, our chatbot gets triggered by this message and it has responded us with this welcome message. Welcome to Easy Charter Bus Service, planning group travel made simple and reliable. How can we assist you today? And I'm getting 3 quick reply buttons: check availability, book a trip and get travel updates. If I click on this check availability, it is asking me few details to check availability like date of travel, pickup city, drop location, group size, and here we are getting the final message. We will check our fleet and get back in few seconds. Now if I click on this book a trip, it is again asking me some details like travel date, start location, destination, number of passengers and preferred bus type, AC or non-AC. After entering all these details, it is showing me a customized confirmation message as you can see, and here I can see all the details provided by me. So this is how our chatbot works. If you also want to create this chatbot, then you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you will notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before we start creating our chatbot, let's change the flow name first. Now on the left side, you will see different type of messages and actions we are going to use to create our chatbot. And here is our flow start, which triggers our chatbot using keywords, regex or any pre-approved template. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex means regular expression. It means whatever the user type that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. And also we can use pre-approved template to trigger our chatbot. For now, we are using a universal regex which will trigger your chatbot with any text typed by the user. And to enable case sensitivity, we can turn on this option right here. Now let's start creating our chat flow. Now to create a welcome message, I simply drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. Now I will enter a message. As you can see in this message, I put this text between two asterisk symbol to make this text bold. Now I will add 3 buttons, one to check availability, one to book a new trip, and one to get travel update. Now if the user selects the first quick reply button, I want to ask question from them and store their answer to somewhere. For that, I will use this ask question node. Just drag and drop like this and create a message. Now in this question, I'm asking about their date of travel. Now I will select the contact custom field. It is the place where all the data provided by the customer or user are going to be saved. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check out the description box. Now I will select the format as date and connect this question node to our quick reply button. Now I will create another question. This time I'm asking about their pickup city. Now I will select contact custom field and format as any. Now I will connect this to previous node. Now I will create more questions. As you can see, I've created 2 more questions, and in this question, I'm asking about their drop location, and in the next question, I'm asking about their group size. I've connected these nodes and selected the relevant contact custom field. Now I will create a final message. For that, I will drag and drop this option like this and select text plus button. And this is our final message for check availability. Now I will create response for our second quick reply button, which is a book trip. For that, I will drag and drop this ask question node like this and create a message. Now I will select contact custom field and format as date. Now I will connect the second quick reply button to this question node like this. By the same process, I will create few more questions. As you can see, I've created 4 more question nodes, one to ask start location, one to destination, and one number of passengers, and one to ask preferred bus type. I've also selected the preferred contact custom field, as you can see. Now I will select format as any. Now I will create a customized confirmation message. For that, I will drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. Now I will enter a message. So here is our confirmation message, and in this message, as you can see, I've used dollar symbol followed by the particular contact custom field name. By using this pattern, you can show the data stored in the particular contact custom field. Now I will create response for our third quick reply button, which is get travel updates. For that, I will again drag and drop this ask question node and create our message. Here I am asking for their booking ID to send alerts and reminders. Now I will select contact custom field. Now I will select format as any. Now I am connecting this node to get travel update like this. Now I will create a final message. For that, I'll drag and drop this option like this, select text plus button and enter a message. So as you can see, this is our final message and our chatbot is now completed. Now to save the chat flow, we just need to click on this save button. So that's how we can create this powerful chatbot. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try it for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbot for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.